Birds. Let us know some birds. Read aloud their names. Peacock, our national bird. Tail. Wing. Crown. Head. Beak. Neck. Leg. Claw. Penguin. I'm a little penguin in the snow. I slide on my tummy to and fro. Penguin lives in Antarctica. It is a bird which cannot fly. Hen. Hen gives us eggs. Owl can see in dark night clearly. Sparrow. It is small bird. It has brown, black, grey and white feathers. Parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful bird. Its feathers are green. Its beak is curved. Crow. Crow is a black-colored bird. Pigeon. Pigeon is a bird that was used as a messenger in olden days.